Full House, Pia Guanyo proved that she can nail a comedic role. Very effective din ang on-screen chemistry nila ng kanyang real-life sweetheart na si Bossing Vic Soto. Dahil sa laki ng improvement sa pag-arte ni Pia, just recently, the TV host received another movie break. At ito nga ay sa pinakaabangang pelikula ng dalawang iconic comedians na sina Vic at Dolphy, kung saan full support siya sa kanyang boyfriend. Nandun ang Showbiz Central sa shooting ng scenes ni Pia na kinunan sa isang gasoline station sa Coastal Road.
Sa cameo role for tama-tama naman magkasama sila sa eksena, si Pia and Sasha. Kami na rin, nila Dolphy, direct. So, we talked about it. We thought that it would be fun, it would be cute kung cameo role sila. May konting twist, wow.
Oy, we're Pia and Jaja dun sa sa scene. So, that's cute. Kasi we used our own names.
Kaya, so far, so good. Professional na ito eh. Dati, medyo parang kinakaba-kabahan pa siya. Ngayon, may konfiyansa na.
Wow.
Baka sa susunod, pwede nang isabak to ng full blast na.
Naninibago ko sa pagka-precise nung shooting. Parang every inch na igalaw mo, counted. Tapos sukat na sukat yung mga sasabihin.
Even if the cameras aren't rolling, the big stars treated each other as equals. Hindi rin nila pinalampas ang chance na mag-bonding in between takes.
Lahat ng mga eksena dito talagang nakakatawa. Sabi mo nga, even off camera, we always have fun, joke around. Tapos lalo na ngayon, nandito pa yung mga mahal namin sa buhay.
Well, I haven't had a chance to be on screen with him, to have an eksena with him. But
Later pa.
Jaja and I, wala, chikahan, fun.
And during these unguarded moments, nabuo rin ang isang intriga that linked Vic and co-star Riza Santos. Naging super close daw ang dalawa, dahilan para magselos daw si Pia.
Nagsiselos ka ba?
Ha? Ano ba yun?
Oo, kita mo, hindi nga niya alam eh. Wala yun, hindi totoo yun. Ewan ko kung saan galing yung mga gimmick na yun. Kasi ako, I don't resort to gimmicks like that, no? Ano na yun, old style na yun.
Malapit na raw matapos ang nasabing comedy flick, and before it hits the big screen, the hype about the film gets bigger.
Yeah, we're about 60% finished. And fortunately, magandang tinatakbo as per schedule. No? And on my part, I'm really having fun. It's a learning experience for me. Pag nagsushooting kami ni Pidol, parati akong audience eh. Just watching the master comedian do it is very exciting experience for me.
Alam mo, totoo yung sinabi.
Grabe yun, ha?
Totoo yung sinabi ni birthday boy. Birthday niya bukas. Happy birthday,
Ay, happy
honey.
birthday po, bossing!
Totoo yung sinabi niya tungkol kay Tito Dolphy. Enigmatic talaga yung presence niya. Tsaka kahit anong gawin niya, nakakatawa.
Correct ka dyan, naabangan ko na yung pelikula na excited na ako, pero samantala mauuna